Hey everyone! If you've been feeling tired, gaining weight no matter what you eat, or struggling with brain fog and low energy, your metabolism might be running in slow motion. But don't worry, today, I'm going to show you how to fire up your metabolism naturally by targeting the powerhouse of your body, your mitochondria. And guess what? We're using a unique combo of natural herbs and superfoods like Qui Berry, Rhodiola, Amla, and even raw cacao to get you back on track. So first, let's talk symptoms. If you relate to any of these, your metabolism might be lagging. You're constantly tired, even after 8 hours of sleep. Gaining weight, especially around the belly, is way too easy. You're cold when others are comfortable. Your skin is dry, digestion is slow, and your brain feels cloudy. Sound familiar? These signs often point to a deeper issue: your mitochondria, the little engines inside your cells, aren't working properly. Quick science moment. Mitochondria turn the food you eat into ATP, your body's energy currency. When they're weak, everything slows down, from fat burning to brain power. So, instead of counting calories or doing more cardio, we're going to fix the engine first. And these 6 natural compounds do exactly that. 1. Qui Berry. This rare berry is packed with polyphenols and anthocyanins, antioxidants that protect your mitochondria. Result? More fat burned. More energy. Think of it like cleaning your car engine so it runs smoother. 2. Rhodiola rosea. This is your stress buffer. Chronic stress destroys your metabolism. Rhodiola helps balance cortisol and increase cellular energy. Less stress equals more fat burning, better sleep, and sharper focus. 3. Hematococcus, astaxanthin. One of the strongest antioxidants on earth. It dives deep into your mitochondria and protects them from damage. It also boosts endurance and fights fatigue. It's like giving your cells armor and rocket fuel. 4. Amla, Indian gooseberry. Amla is loaded with vitamin C and polyphenols. It helps regenerate mitochondria and supports liver detox, super important for fat metabolism. Better liver equals faster metabolism. 5. Theobroma cacao, raw chocolate. This isn't candy, it's the raw version of cacao, loaded with magnesium and theobromine. It boosts blood flow and mitochondrial biogenesis, fancy word for creating more energy factories. Guilt-free chocolate that fuels your brain and body. Yes, please. 6. Schisandra chinensis. Known as the 5-flavor berry, Schisandra is a super adaptogen. It supports liver function, reduces inflammation, and helps your cells produce more ATP. Think of Schisandra as the calm commander of your energy systems. Now, imagine combining all 6 of these in your daily routine. They work synergistically too. Reduce stress. Rebuild mitochondria. Boost fat metabolism. And give you sustainable, clean energy. You can find them in supplement stacks, powdered blends, or even use them individually in smoothies or teas. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more natural health hacks.